This lesson is from the 5th grade Houghton Mifflin English book. It is on contractions with not, and it coordinates with pages 116 to 117 in the student textbook. You can combine some verbs with the word not to make contractions. Did not becomes didn't. A contraction is a word formed by joining two words making one shorter word. Should not becomes shouldn't. An apostrophe takes the place of the letter or letters dropped to shorten the word. Was not becomes wasn't. Since not is not a verb, it cannot be part of the verb phrase. So she didn't see me coming, the verb phrase is did see. You would not underline the N apostrophe T. So let's just make these into contractions. Cannot becomes can't. Does not becomes doesn't. Is not becomes isn't. Should not becomes shouldn't. Had not becomes hadn't. Are not becomes aren't. Were not becomes weren't. Has not becomes hasn't. Do not becomes don't. Will not becomes won't. That's a little tricky sometimes. Was not becomes wasn't. Could not becomes couldn't. Must not becomes mustn't. Have not becomes haven't. And did not becomes didn't.